Hey, what's up TCM? Today we are going to be doing CORK, swing through CORK with one of our students and coaches, Scotty. You may have seen him in a video or two before, but we had a deal or a bet to see who would get CORK to CORK first, and I think it's going to be me.
It's definitely going to be you.
He also thinks it's going to be me, but he's pretty strong, so we're going to see what we can do. So basically it's just going to be a vlog working on CORK to CORKs, having some fun. Subscribe, like the video, comment something down below, and yeah, enjoy. It's an August Burns Red type of day. this is it, before the music starts playing. There it goes. Scotty's getting real close to beating me. And there you guys have it.
I win!
Scotty wins. First to cork. 17 years old versus a 27-year-old. I think I did pretty decently. It's all right. So we're gonna keep on training, but there you go. Comment something down below if you thought Scotty was gonna win, and then comment if you thought I was gonna win. And then while you're down there, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let us know what else you want to see on the channel, because we're really just doing this for you. Do a subscribe for Scotty, because this is his first one outside ever, and I think that's pretty rad.
This is my second one landed too.
Screw you. I'm gonna try to make it into the trash can. There's no way.
1 out of 1,000. All right, we came Mr. Mario Golf.
Oh, I was so close. Not really. No.
No,
I was very far. I got it.
I honestly thought you were gonna hit the tree first.
I thought I was too, that's why I came a little bit lower.
And then the wind took you out.
All right, so we're gonna try this one. Come here. Come in the video. There you go, you're right there, you're good. We're gonna try this one more time, but we're gonna see who can get to 3 first. So
3 in a row or just 3?
You wanna go cork, swing, cork? Or you just wanna hit cork, swing, cork 3 times?
Second option. There's no way
okay.
I hit the first one.
Okay, so we're gonna see who can hit cork, swing, cork 3 times first. So Scotty's already ahead with 1 point. Never again do I want to hear that I'm better than you.
You're better than me, though.
Well, good job.
I'll let you say it.
That's 3 for Scotty and that's 0 for me. And I was gonna walk away with the session with like at least getting 1, but my leg is getting pretty tired. So I might try a couple of more and we'll see how it goes.
I guess I'm walking home.
Yeah, go ahead, leave all your stuff here, I'll take it. All right.
All right, you gotta get it on this one.
Yeah, let me find the song.
Which song is it?
I think I'm gonna put on Chandelier,
I know the name, but I'm drawing a blank on the noise.
my double backflip song.
Got it.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, I push it down. I'm the one for going back till I lose count. Gotta sleep, ride the chandelier, ride the chandelier.
Okay, well, the speaker just died. I'm getting really annoyed with this skill. So,
Hit the floor again.
so I think we're gonna call it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know who you thought was gonna win down below. Let us know if you want to see more vlogs like this. It's pretty tame, pretty basic, pretty whatever. It's just a simple setup, but I thought you guys would enjoy it. And you know, we got some training in, so that was fun. Happy training, happy Saturday, and train safe.